In this video, we will see how to square a 2 or a 3-digit number ending in 5 mentally and very quickly. So let us learn this by an example. This technique of squaring a number ending in 5 is based on the Vedic Math Sutra or formula. It is called as by 1 more than the previous. Now let us see how this formula is applied while we find the square of a number. So let us take any 2-digit number which ends in a 5. Say we take 45 and we need to find the square of 45. Okay, so the rule says that the last 2 digits of the product 45 into 45, the result of this product, the last 2 digits will always be equal to 25. Now to find the previous digits of the result, you have to take the digit which is or the number which is formed by eliminating 5. So here if we eliminate this 5, the only number that is left here is 4. So by 1 more than the previous means that you have to multiply this 4 by a number which is 1 more than 4. So we have to do 4 into 5, which gives us a 20. So we write a 20 here. So 45 square is 2025. I am sure it's not clear by this one example. So let me explain it again by taking another example. Say we have to do 75 square. So from this 5 we get a 25. What is the remaining part of the number now? It is a 7. So 7 will be multiplied by 1 more than 7, which is 8. Okay, and 7 into 8 gives you a 56. So 75 square is 5625. Let us do one more question. Say 95 square. So this 5 yields us to a 25 in the product. 9 will be multiplied to 1 more than 9, which is 10. So 9 into 10 gives a 90. And the square of 95 is 9025. Now let us try squaring a 3-digit number. Say 195 square. Okay, so the same rule will apply. 5 will yield us a 25 in the result. Okay, now the remaining number left is 19. So 19 will be multiplied to 1 more than 19, which is 20. 19 into 20 is 380. So your answer is 38025. Okay, so you always have to put a 25 in your product, which will be given by squaring the 5. The remaining digits, the number that is formed by the remaining digits, will have to be multiplied by 1 more than that number, and the product of that will form the initial digits of this number of the product. Let me give you one question. Say 105 square. You can pause the video here and try solving the question yourself. Now let us see what answer do we get for this. So this 5 will yield us a 25. The number that is left after removing the 5 is 10. 10 will be multiplied to a number which is 1 more than 10, which is 11. So you multiply 10 by 11, which gives you a 110. So your answer is 11025. So you see how simple this method is. The only thing that is required to remember this method is the continuous practice. Whenever you get in any calculation, any number ending in 5, please try to use this method. Slowly it will become your habit and the calculations will become really fast. I hope squaring a number ending in 5 is clear to everyone. If you want more such Vedic maths, send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel, Math Academy. If you have liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Thank you.